Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead with a canner maintenance tip. Now this is what I was talking about. Maybe this isn't the best background for this, but especially when you live in the country, you have iron and hard water, lime scale, calcium, all these kinds of things. It can actually change the reading you're getting from your canner weight. Okay, so I'm about to do some more canning, and I just wanted to show you, this one I haven't used that much, but I just want to show you what I do in between cannings. This is just plain white vinegar, folks. Don't let them charge you more for the cleaning vinegar. It all works really well. And I'm just going to drop these in here, and I'm going to let these soak in that little bit of vinegar for about 15-20 minutes. Now these have been soaking in vinegar. See the rust and everything at the bottom? And I'm just going to take, let's see if there's still one that's really dirty. That was the worst one. And I'm going to actually clean it by putting it on there.